I'm diving deep into the world of long-term care insurance and trying to identify the 5 biggest mistakes you need to avoid in 2024. Understanding long-term care insurance is crucial for achieving financial security in our golden years. It's essential to be aware of the potential pitfalls that can leave us vulnerable and unprepared for the future. When it comes to purchasing long-term care insurance, many people struggle to make informed decisions. They often lack research, have misconceptions about coverage, and fail to consider their individual circumstances. As a result, they end up with inadequate coverage or even worse, no coverage at all. This lack of understanding can lead to financial catastrophe, forcing people to deplete their life savings or rely on government assistance. Unfortunately, many people don't realize the importance of long-term care insurance until it's too late. They assume that their health insurance or Medicare will cover all their needs, but that's not the case. Long-term care insurance is a distinct type of coverage that requires careful consideration and planning. Moreover, the cost of care is increasing exponentially, and it's essential to have a plan in place to address these expenses. From assisted living facilities to home care services, the prices can be staggering. Without long-term care insurance, people may be forced to sacrifice their quality of life, independence, and even their relationships. Another common issue people face is navigating the complex world of insurance policies. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed and make mistakes that can have long-term consequences. People often struggle to determine their coverage needs, policy types, and benefit periods, leading to a lack of confidence in their decisions. Fortunately, by avoiding common mistakes, you can protect your financial future and ensure that you receive the care you need. In this video, we'll explore the 5 critical mistakes to avoid when it comes to long-term care insurance. Mistake number 1. Failing to consider your individual circumstances. This includes your age, health, family history, and personal preferences. It's essential to tailor your policy to your unique needs, rather than relying on a one-size-fits-all approach. For instance, if you have a family history of Alzheimer's disease, you may want to consider a policy with more extensive coverage for cognitive impairments. Mistake number 2. Neglecting to research and compare policies. With so many insurance providers and policy types available, it's crucial to do your due diligence and find the best option for your situation. This includes evaluating premium costs, coverage levels, and benefit periods to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Mistake number 3. Not understanding the coverage and limitations of your policy. It's essential to carefully review your policy documents and ask questions about any unclear or confusing terms. This includes understanding what is covered, what is excluded, and what the claims process entails. Mistake number 4. Failing to plan for inflation and rising care costs. Long-term care costs are increasing exponentially, and it's essential to plan for these expenses. This includes considering policies with built-in inflation protection and flexible benefit options. Mistake number 5. Putting off purchasing long-term care insurance until it's too late. The earlier you purchase a policy, the better. This not only helps you avoid premium increases but also ensures that you're protected in case you need care in the future. One of the most critical mistakes people make is failing to plan for their future care needs. This can result in a significant financial burden, forcing people to rely on government assistance or deplete their life savings. By prioritizing long-term care insurance, you can ensure that you receive the care you need while protecting your financial security. In conclusion, long-term care insurance is a vital component of any financial plan. By avoiding common mistakes, you can ensure that you're protected and prepared for the future. Remember to consider your individual circumstances, research and compare policies, understand your coverage, plan for inflation, and prioritize purchasing a policy early. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on related topics, such as long-term care insurance policy reviews and financial planning strategies. Thanks for watching. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency LLC YouTube channel or www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or 224-433-5754.